Warning, the future of videos just got wild. Literally. Every time you post another boring reel, stock video, or slideshow, you're not standing out, you're blending in. And in today's online world, blending in means being ignored. Let's face it, social feeds are drowning in the same recycled content. Overused stock videos, cookie-cutter Canva graphics, generic motivational reels everyone's seen a million times. And guess what? The algorithm doesn't care. Your audience doesn't care. And your competitors? Well, they're happy you look just like everyone else. If you're posting what everyone else is posting, you'll keep getting the same dead-end results. Now imagine this instead. A human with the head of a lion delivering your pitch. A wolf-human hybrid giving motivational advice on TikTok. A panda-human dancing in your ad campaign. Sounds wild? That's the point. Because using hybrid human and animal videos equals attention, and capturing attention equals real money. Want to tap into this exciting opportunity? Say hi to Hybrid AI, the world's first AI app that creates hyper-realistic animal-human viral videos in 60 seconds. With this by your side, even newbies can tap into the hottest video trend of 2025 and instantly make ultra-realistic, ultra-CGI-like videos that print views, clicks, and sales. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, access. Number 2, create ultra-hyper-realistic human and animal videos. Number 3, use and grow your business. Here are some amazing benefits you get with Hybrid AI. 1. World's first AI app creates ultra-hyper-realistic hybrid humans and animal videos in 60 seconds. Turn any human or animal face into a jaw-dropping, supernatural hybrid video in just 60 seconds with lifelike expression and movement. 2. Zero effort and zero learning curve. Just 3 easy clicks. Pick a keyword, upload an image, click generate, and watch Hybrid AI instantly create traffic-pulling, scroll-stopping videos easily. 3. Create ultra-cinematic AI hybrid videos in most followed niches. From pets to celebrities, Hybrid AI produces real cinematic, ready-to-viral hybrid videos in any niche without expensive production or complicated editing tools slowing you down. 4. Instantly go viral across every red-hot social platform. Hybrid AI creates platform-optimized, supernatural videos that trigger shares, comments, and clicks on major social platforms. 5. Launch your own AI video agency in minutes. Sell premium, hyper-realistic human and animal videos to clients in any niche, offering a service few can match. 6. Combine multiple AI engines, power in one. Hybrid AI fuses the power of multiple world-class AI engines to deliver the most realistic, retina-catchy hybrid videos possible every single time. 7. Welcome your personal ad-hybrid video director. Simply tell Hybrid AI what you want, and it delivers attention-grabbing, professional-quality videos. 8. Turn simple photos into viral hybrid videos that practically force engagement. Transform any photo into a captivating, share-worthy video that attracts views, clicks, and leads. 9. Tap into most trending video content without creating it yourself. Quickly produce viral-style videos based on today's hottest trends so you can ride the wave and profit while it's peaking. 10. No filming, no editing, no actors. Instant results. Skip the cost of cameras, actors, or editing software. Hybrid AI creates studio-quality videos from your laptop in seconds. 11. Attract countless clients who want unique video content fast. Offer in-demand, one-of-a-kind videos that competitors can't match, winning clients who will pay premium rates for fast, unique content. 12. Create studio-quality videos at a fraction of the cost. Hybrid AI produces cinematic, viral-ready videos without cameras, editing software, or outsourcing. 13. Save over $10,000 yearly on third-party subscriptions. Replace expensive editing, animation, and production tools with Hybrid AI, saving thousands each year without losing quality. So what's the point in waiting? Click below to grab complete access to Hybrid AI now before the price goes monthly. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, Hybrid AI will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below to get Hybrid AI for the lowest price. Good luck! and we'll see you inside.
Hey there, welcome to Hybrid AI, and in this quick demo I will show you that how you can use power of Hybrid AI to create viral trending videos that are using hybrid creatures like animal and human, and how you can turn them into a viral video. So once you are inside the dashboard, you will see options on the left side, like this is having create video and video template, and then we have media library option. So inside the media library, you will see generated video, like whatever you had created, they will be stored here. And then we have image library option, like if you want some images to start with, then you can choose from our library. So now I will click on create videos, and then you will see this another dashboard. And here you can see that we have defined steps, like you can select the model, and then you can select the prompt, then you can hit generate video, and then finally you can download the video. So we have two options here, like you can create a video from image, or you can simply create text to video, like just enter the text and your video will be generated. So I will click on next, and after that we have another options that will give you more power to your hybrid AI, like you can add custom uploads like custom image, or you can choose from library, or you can even use stock images. So you can use anything. Like now I click on stock image library, and we have a lot of stock images pre-built inside that. So you have to just choose the creature you want to turn into hybrid. And now I will show you the custom upload option. So just I will upload a video, sorry, I will upload an image, and then I will define a prompt that what I want with this particular image. So let me quickly describe a prompt so that hybrid AI can create video for that one. So I had pasted a prompt here, and then I will click on next, like if I want this creature to walk on the red carpet, then let's see how it will process it. Awesome. So you can see here that now it has generated the video according to our prompt. And then we have background audio option. So if you want to edit your video, then you can go back, or you can continue without audio, or you can just add the background audio from selecting these categories. We have a lot of categories here, so you can just choose whatever audio you want. You can preview that also, like if you like this particular one or this one, then you can simply preview them before selecting for your project, and then you can add it to your video quickly. So once I will select, then I will hit add background audio, and it will process your video. So now you can see here we have a video that is having background music also. We can go back anytime and just edit them, or you can just click on finish, and your video will be shown in library. So like that, we have generated video options that will show your generated videos. Like recently I had created this, so you can manage it, like you can preview or you can download or delete it. Then we have video template option here. So to simplify the process to create hybrid videos, we had given templates that will show you that what type of videos you can create, like animal riders, or if you want animal hybrid, then you can use animal storage, animal ancestors, or you can use animal versus animal. Then we have emotional, animal transformation, and animal head videos. So you have to just choose the template and just select any of the sample, and then it will upload the basic image of that one. And then we have default prompt here. so you can choose that one. So for now we had just changed the image, and now I'm processing it, and the hybrid AI will understand what you want with the prompt, and that it will create your amazing video. So this is very simple to create viral videos. There is nothing complex thing that you need. Just you have to choose the template or images, and you can create amazing viral trending videos, and you can download them anytime. So thank you for watching this video. See you there inside.